I was in doubt whether to go to this place or not to go, because the two other temples I'd seen in Bali, and it was not to my satisfaction. One, I paid for both the temples to enter, and when I went there, it so happened that the camera trick was used. That's why the place has become famous. One is the Gate of Heaven in Bali, okay, and where they will use a mirror. Okay, they'll use a mirror under the lens, so it looks like a reflection of you. Basically, there is nobody around you and all that. For photograph, you'll have to wait 3 hours. I was very, very upset about that part. After getting there, and why in the world people didn't tell me about it, or the people who suggested also didn't tell me about it, is what I was very upset about it. Second place also that I went was also like that. Okay, Besaiki temple near Kintamani. Okay, on the way to Kintamani. So I paid there. So today where I'm going to go, I had to pay again, and it is 21 kilometers, an hour from my place, Kuta, where I'm staying in Bali. I was thinking to go or not to go, and because right now that you seeing where I'm shooting, I'm actually heading to Nusa Penida. Okay, so I thought let me share that before I start showing you the actual footage. And so if I didn't go, I would have cribbed that such a beautiful place ever existed. You won't believe. Watch to believe it. Trust me, you won't be disappointed seeing this video, because I myself am very excited because I saw everything, and I'm doing the voiceover right now. Okay, here we enter. Okay, like I said, the two temples were very, very discouraging for me, but here the outside, the look itself looks great. But I'm still worried that if it is just the gates which people come to take photograph and all that. But I know there is a temple here. Okay, sitting on top of a mountain in the ocean. If there is a low tide, we can definitely see it. Otherwise, we won't be able to see it, is what I know about it. How luck would favor me today, I myself didn't know about it. Seriously, I'm telling you. And I thought this is nothing, and I was going to go back. See, first of all, I had to pay 75,000 Indonesian rupees. And plus, I had to drive 1 hour here. Okay, all considering it. And then I was thinking whether to go in or not to go in. But when I came here to see it, this looks beautiful. This really looks beautiful. Mesmerizing. I thought this is the place where I can take a lot of photographs, videograph, and maybe fly some drone and all that. That's what I was thinking. But actually, when I got here now, I realized that people started talking that it's high tide, so it means to say that you can't actually access the temple now. Okay, it's only on the low tide that you can walk. That is how we should have gone. Okay, so then I saw some people walking up and all that. I wanted to find out where are they going. So I came up, to see there is another view of the temple, which should be more clear for you to see it as such. Okay, so you have a look at it. I will explain to you how luck was in my side, and otherwise, if I had missed those two places and had I gone back, I would have cribbed it once I got to know that I missed seeing those places. Did you see the temple there? So we're heading now. When I'm on the way back, I saw a board saying that turn right if you want to get great pictures and all that. I said, why not? Sunset view. Sunset though is long way away for me. It's around 11ish that I've come. Okay, so I just started walking only to realize that there are a lot of restaurants after restaurants here. Okay, but I'm looking for a spot where I can take some photos, videos, and fly the drone. That's what I was thinking about. Okay, and now look at these two people, the couple. They were like sent by God. Okay, from here you can't go, but I see there's a land on the other side. Okay, how do we go there? These people creep through some small gap, and they were walking. I said, let me follow them, and believe me, nobody's venturing out here. It is only those two and me here. I was so happy that I actually followed them, and here I'm going to be thanking them and telling them that because of them I'm able to see this place. So why don't I just shoot some videos for you and give it to you? I did shoot and give it to them. They were very, very impressed about it. So I'm going to send the drone around the temple now. You have a look at it how it is, but it's too windy. Windy means it's really windy. I'm quite worried that if my little darling, who's more or less like weightless, she's going to come back or she's going to go flying to some other country is my concern actually. Okay, but the waves and all that is beautiful. Yeah, it's rough waves and all that for people who like to surf, but I don't think they're allowed to go here to surf and all that. That's something that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so but it is a must and should. You should come. I'm telling you, you should come, because once I sent the drone and I was going to bring it back, then I figured out I can get different angle shots. Okay, and this is where I can transform myself as a hero and a great cameraman and all that. Okay, that's what I thought about. And right now where I'm shooting from, there is nobody else other than those two. They've actually walked past. They've gone. I mean, I don't know where they went, and I'm busy shooting all this here. Okay, so wait, look at this. When I take a top down shot, you will realize that this is beautiful, yeah. And when I turn the camera, you will say, wow. Wow, you will just say wow, 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 wow. I'm telling you, look, that's how the temple looks. Beautiful, isn't it? Wait for it. Wait for it. So when God is with you and by your side, you know nothing can go wrong. I'm going to turn the camera now. Look at it. Turn, man. Turn. Why are you not turning? See how beautiful this looks. The color combination of those properties, okay, the temple and the grass which is green, the blue of the ocean, okay, and the geography, if you look at it, it looks beautiful. Doesn't it look beautiful? It is beautiful. Okay, so here we go. So and it's time for me to bring back the drone. But this footage, you will be mighty impressed. You'll be mighty impressed because where I am, you'll be wondering. Where I am, you'll be wondering. Look, where nobody is there. Nobody is there. I'm there. I didn't bring my book, script book where I normally record for workouts and all. Had I brought it, I would have worked out there with the drone and all that. Okay, it would have been great shots, but unfortunately I didn't bring it, and so I missed the opportunity. That's okay. That 1 hour of travel and 75,000 that I paid and all that just vanished in the air for me, because I was very, very excited that what I'm capturing, I should have done more. I feel I should have done more. See, I've got these people still with me. See, I could have shot without them, but I wanted them in the picture because of them only I got this, right? Now from here they start walking into a distance. Now is where the hero will get his quota of footage and all that. You should see it because you will start getting an idea about it. After coming back to the room, I realized that I could have taken some more shots in a dyno zoom is what they say. I could have done much better. I'm telling you, this is an ideal spot. You will not get this kind of a places throughout. Look at this shot. Pull back. I'm going to pull the drone back. When I'm pulling back, had I zoomed in, it would have come out beautiful. I'm realizing it after I've come to the room. That's the sad part, but it's still okay. Look at the footage. You definitely would want to invest on the cameras and all that. I know that. Now doesn't this place look interesting? It is very interesting. You think that's the end of it? It is not. I've got some more to show you. How I found it, only I myself don't know about it. Okay, and look at this. You will want to circle around. You will want to do a lot of things after things. Correct? It's too windy, I'm telling you. It is too windy. I'm very, very scared. But I have still not got the top-down shot. In the sense, I need to shoot it up in the air. The top-down, I have not got it. So I need to shoot that. So when I'm going to shoot that is something that I'm thinking about it. Yeah? Wait. How is this? At a little higher height. Beautiful, no? Background with the ocean and this green field. Wow. Now is where I will take it. This is where a lot of things happen. I'll get smaller and smaller in the picture, but what happens is when I take it up 120 meters above the sea level, believe me, it starts raining. And the machine is indicating that it's too windy. Bring it down. Now I'm in a desperate thing to bring it down. Desperate means really desperate to bring it down. Can you see this? Do you see this? I'm struggling to see. Camera is going. Oh, not yet. Because I'm doing the voiceover, I forgot about it. Okay, when I turn it around, look up, and it is still not at rain. It is going to rain now. It is going to rain. Now is where the desperation creeps in. Yeah. Now is when I frantically try to bring the drone down. Frantically. I'm going to tilt the camera down to bring it. I will show you. You should see my hair. You'd see my hair, how it is, blowing. It's like, I had to face the other way to bring the camera down, and it is not coming down. Since it's not landing, because it says it's unstable. And maybe about 20 minutes it was still in the air. When it came close to me, I could not look at my hair. Do you understand what I'm saying? So from here, we are off. So it started raining, and look at my hair. Okay, so I'm heading back. I thought that's it. We don't have anything more to see. So we're going to head back to the room is what I thought. All this joy is going to be forgotten now because 1 hour of terrible ride. The roads are fantastic. It's just too much of traffic. But I thought some people are there. Why are they there? What are they looking at? I wanted to see what it is. If I didn't come this side, you will not believe what I would have missed and what I would have missed showing you. this what you're going to see. I've seen in two places. One is in India, that's in Andaman. The other one I don't remember where have I seen it. Okay, but I've definitely seen it. I need to look at my own videos to actually find out where it is. Okay, so even here I was thinking it is over. But then there was a walk path, to walk. Then I see this. Do you see that? Do you see that the gap in that hill, where the water, literally the ocean water is flowing through it? It is just good to just stand there, keep looking at it. And I know now this is where I can fly the drone. I know now I can fly the drone. It's going to be just good. Look at that. I stood here for a long time, just admiring the waves and all that. And then I sent the drone. And believe me, I didn't know that, I had to buy a ticket and all that. She came and said, you can't fly the drone. So immediately I brought it back. But it was a short 50-second footage I got. Okay, you have a look at it. See. Dude, I wanted to take it, under that, that bridge, just over the water. I wanted to take it. But then the lady came and said, no, you can't fly it. By then I was almost there. So I just got a little bit extra footage. And on the way back, I caught even more. So that was even better. Do you see this? See, you can actually walk here, but they're not allowing you to walk to that. They made path for it. Why in the world they're not letting people go walk on that? I don't know. Okay, that's sad. Anyway, see where I'm standing. How does it look? This is the ending shot. Beautiful, isn't it? Don't miss this place. If you come to Bali, write it down, remember it, save it, follow me, do whatever you want, but come here. Saying that, I'll see you again. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Bye.